कुंभ और प्रयागराज वो स्थान नहीं है जहां पर राजनीति और राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम और फैसले लिए जाएं।
सर,
कैबिनेट ही पॉलिटिकल है
सर कल जो ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट
और कुंभ के स्थान पर कैबिनेट करना ये पॉलिटिकल है और पॉलिटिकल संदेश देना चाहते हैं हम लोग।
Viewers, that was Akhilesh Yadav. Remember what you just heard as I tell you a story of political doublespeak. The photo of Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav along with his MPs in a mosque near Parliament has sparked a debate. The BJP has called it a shameless politicization of a sacred space. Leaders like Brijesh Pathak, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi have said that the Samajwadi Party had turned a place of worship into a political war room, violating constitutional norms and religious sanctity. Even clerics have slammed the move to say that it hurts sentiments. But Akhilesh Yadav has dismissed the charge and said that this was nothing but BJP playing divisive politics, using religion to divide. Viewers, the ecosystem of self-styled secularists have defended Akhilesh's mosque photo op. That is where the real problem lies. This is the same ecosystem, viewers, that was quick to crucify UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for his holy dip at the Mahakumbh. This exposes their moral facade. Viewers, Akhilesh's mosque meeting or photo opportunity or whatever you want to call it, captured in photographs with a coterie of his MPs, was no spontaneous prayer session. The presence of political heavyweights in a sacred space under the leadership of an SP MP who doubles as the mosque's imam reeks of calculated optics, viewers, yet the ecosystem, ever eager to shield its ideological allies, has spun this as a non-issue. They say, what's the problem? And they have defended Akhilesh's meeting, insisting that faith connects. Wonderful. But contrast this with the ecosystem's treatment of Yogi's participation in the Mahakumbh. Yogi's holy dip, accompanied by a cabinet meeting and a Mahapuja, was lambasted by the opposition and its cheerleaders as dharm ka dhanda, their words not mine. Akhilesh himself sneered at it as a BJP stunt, accusing Yogi of turning a spiritual event into a propaganda circus. But when Akhilesh steps into a mosque with his MPs, the same critics fall silent or rush to defend it. Viewers, why is Yogi's engagement with Mahakumbh a communal sin, while Akhilesh's mosque visit a sacred act? That's the question. The answer to that is as cynical as it is obvious. The ecosystem's moral compass, so to say, spins to the tune of political expediency, political convenience. Viewers, this hypocrisy is insidious. Yogi's dip at Kumbh, his cabinet's presence were weaponized to paint the BJP as divisive. Yet Akhilesh's mosque visit, with its unmistakable political optics, is whitewashed as an act of unity. The ecosystem's silence on SP's past, its boycott of Ram Mandir inauguration, the dog whistle politics by SP leaders, exposes a selective amnesia. If Yogi's Kumbh dip, Kumbh Puja was a political stunt, why isn't Akhilesh's mosque meeting held to the same standard? Plain and simple, direct question. The Samajwadi Namazwadi controversy, as people are calling it, has ripped open the festering wound of selective outrage that defines our political ecosystem. It exposes a hypocrisy so brazen that it demands a reality check, which we will do. Sample the reactions first.
मैं केवल इतना जानता हूं कि आस्था जोड़ती है। किसी भी धर्म या कोई आस्था है, वो आस्था जोड़ती है और जो आस्था जोड़ने का काम करते हैं हम उसके साथ हैं। बीजेपी को यही तकलीफ है कि कोई जुड़े नहीं, दूरियां बनी रहें। तो आस्था जोड़ने का काम करती है और इसलिए हम लोग हर आस्था पर
और उनको जो मस्जिद के आदाब हैं, जो इबादत गाह के कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट हैं, वो भी याद नहीं रहा। किस प्रकार से वहां पर श्रीमती डिंपल यादव जी ब्लाउज में बैठी हुई हैं, उनका पीठ दिख रहा है, उनका पेट दिख रहा है, उनके सर पर दुपट्टा नहीं है, और किस प्रकार से वहां लोग हंसी मजाक कर रहे हैं। ये बिल्कुल इस्लाम के भावनाओं को आहत करने वाला है।
हम सब लोग एक सोशल उसके लिए गए थे वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुई थी, क्योंकि भ्रमित करने का हमेशा भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नीयत रही है। और जो मूल जो हमारे उद्देश्य हैं और जो हमारे मूल जो प्रॉब्लम है इस देश की, उससे ध्यान भटकाने के लिए इस तरह की बातें कही जा रही है।
सवाल ये है कि अगर वहां मीटिंग होनी थी या अखिलेश यादव को वैसे भी जाना था, तो बराबर में इमाम साहब का मकान है, जो इमाम हैं और सपा के नेता भी हैं, वो एमपी भी हैं, उनका बराबर में मकान है, बहुत बड़ा मकान है जो 5 स्टार उन्होंने बना रखा है। बैठकर उसमें मीटिंग करना चाहिए था। हमें आपत्ति इस बात पर है कि एक तो मस्जिद को सियासी अखाड़ा नहीं बनाना चाहिए। आप जानबूझकर ये चाहते थे कि हम मस्जिद में बैठेंगे तो मुसलमान उससे खुश होगा। मुसलमान तो समाजवादी से वैसे भी खुश नहीं है। अब
लेट्स ओपन दिस अप। ईश्वरन भंडारी, फैजान किडवई, नेशनल स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द समाजवादी पार्टी, Atikur Rahman, Ravi Srivastava, Nikhil Jain will be joining us shortly, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes this panel. Faizan Kidwai, do you remember what Akhilesh Yadav had said about Yogi's participation, the Mahakumbh, the puja there, the cabinet meeting? The official handle of the Samajwadi Party called it Dharm Ka Dhanda.
Yeah, hi, Pranesh. Pranesh, first of all, see, Bharatiya Janata Party is in no position to question anybody for anything. Bharatiya Janata Party has lost its credibility and moral standing long back. BJP's outrage on Akhilesh Ji's this mosque visit reeks of hypocrisy and manufactured controversy. BJP is just desperate to control the narrative. They want to communalize the issue, just silence on Operation Sindoor. Now there was a new issue that was brewing.
Hang on, Faizan, don't bring Operation Sindoor here, please. We will come to Operation Sindoor in just a bit. Faizan, no, 1 minute. I'm sorry, 1 minute. This is not some political stage where you can come and, say whatever you want. You have to answer questions. The question is based on principle, logic. If Yogi's participation in Mahakumbh was Dharm Ka Dhanda, what is going on here?
Well, Pranesh, no dhanda was happening here, neither no politics was even happening here. The MP, who's also the Imam, he told Akhilesh Ji about a particular mosque which is near to the parliament. So Akhilesh Ji said, let's go and see. So they just went there to have a cup of tea. There was no politics happening, and first of all, no dhanda happening. Nobody died the way innocent people died in Mahakumbh. All thanks to Yogi Adityanath and his negligence. All thanks to the corruption, widespread corruption under Yogi rule.
Okay.
Innocent people didn't die there, and there was no cover-up there. So this thing is totally different from what was happening in Mahakumbh.
Okay, so people did not die. So people did not die in the mosque or in the vicinity. Gives you the leeway to say that this is not dhanda, but Yogi's participation was dharm ka dhanda. Let me bring in Atikur Rahman. Atikur Rahman Sahab, there are many. You heard some of them. Even clerics have objected. But forget about it. You tell me, how should this be judged? And keep in mind what was the commentary when Yogi Adityanath had gone for Mahakumbh.
Pranesh, for one and all, may I remind them that the Prophet Mosque in Medina was a center for every religious people to enter and even discuss political and social matters over there. In Islam, there is no bar that a mosque cannot be used for political discussions. Aghast, they are not against anybody, they are not spreading any violence, and they are not spreading any hate. As far as Dimple Yadav,
don't go as far as 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Don't go too far, Atikur Rahman. 1 minute. Don't go too far. Let's take the first sentence. या हिसाब एक एक करके होता है सर, वो पेंडिंग कुछ नहीं रखा जाता. Atikur Rahman, has the Sanatan Dharm placed a bar on political meetings? Has Sanatan placed a bar on political meetings at religious events? आप बताइए. What was Yogi Adityanath doing when he was taking the holy dip? How was that dharm ka dhanda, as the Samajwadi Party media cell handle said?
Agni Pariksha. This misogynist mindset needs to end in India. This is misogynist and patriarchal on his part. Dimple Yadav was ultimately in the Indian dress, the Indian cultural dress, that is sari.
Atikur Rahman.
Does this man wants to say?
Yeah, slam the
that all
man
women
who's
who are
made the comment. 1 minute. Slam the man who's made the comments, I am with you. And with the man, you also slam those who call for hijab. Unko bhi boliye, sir. People who oppose triple talaq reform. Unko bhi boliye. जो वहां पे खुला अलाउ कर दिया, जो इस पे फतवा निकाल रहे थे, उनको भी बोलिए. ये देखिए, ये एक बोलने से नहीं होगा. यू कांट कम हियर ऑन द शो, टिक वन थिंग एंड थिंक दैट दिस इज द राइट आंसर. यू विल हैव टू टिक ऑल ऑफ दीज. इसमें ऑल ऑफ द अबव है आंसर, अतीकुर रहमान, बट दैट विल लैंड यू इन ट्रबल. दे विल कम फॉर यू. रवि श्रीवास्तव, व्हाट डू यू मेक ऑफ दिस meeting, the justification of this photograph that has emerged?
There was no meeting. The meeting is your narrative, meeting is your agenda. There was no meeting, nobody called it a meeting. It was a courtesy visit to the MP. They did it and came back. And like Atiku Bhai said, I also condemn that gentleman. He may be belonging to any organization or an institution. He just talked something misogynistic and commented on the attire of a woman.
Right.
He is nothing but a stupid, whichever religion he belongs to. He is a super idiot, nothing else. So
right.
Here commenting that he is a political meeting is a nonsense. It was just a courtesy visit and everybody is entitled. If tomorrow somebody else wants to go there, tomorrow be visited at least 100 times Jama Masjid. I used to live close by there. There is no bar, there is no restriction in visiting a mosque.
Ravi Srivastava, who is saying there is restriction? आप अपने सवाल बनाते हैं, फिर उसको आंसर करते. Did I say that there is a restriction? बोला मैंने एक बार भी. I am asking you to base your answer on what was said when Yogi Adityanath, and let's pull up those pictures. Look at these pictures. When Yogi took the holy dip, ये क्या मीटिंग कर रहे हैं क्या ये लोग? वो देखिए जो पानी में डुबकी लगा रहे हैं, ये कोई कैबिनेट मीटिंग चल रही है ये पानी में, बट इसको धर्म का धंधा बोला गया था. एंड लैंग्वेज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू रिपीट ऑन द शो. हु आर दीज पीपल? 1 minute. You now you've said that these people are super idiots. Will you use the term to describe those who said this is धर्म का धंधा?
ये धर्म का धंधा कर रहा है. आप कैबिनेट मीटिंग कर रहे हैं वहां पे. वो क्या वो कुंभ का किनारा क्या वहां पे क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्लेस है क्या? आप जहां कैबिनेट मीटिंग कर रहे हैं.
ये कैबिनेट मीटिंग चल रही है. ये देखिए, ये तस्वीर देखिए. एक मिनट. ये तस्वीर देखिए. ये कैबिनेट मीटिंग ऐसे होती है सर, पानी में डुबकी लगा के. ये उनके आस्था का विषय है. वो गए वहां होली डिप के लिए, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
They did a cabinet meeting there. I did not say that. It was said by them. Ask them.
No, so is there a bar? So 1 minute. 1 minute. Wonderful, sir. It's a great question. Is there a bar on holding a cabinet meeting outside Lucknow, in Prayagraj, or even in Noida? कोई problem है?
As a chief minister, he can do a cabinet meeting wherever he wants to.
Then
do it.
what is the problem?
Who cares?
What is the problem? How was that धर्म का धंधा?
ये धर्म का धंधा है. आप धर्म को,
ठीक है.
धर्म को एक हथियार
Dr. Ranganathan,
करते हैं.
I am saving Nikhil Jain for for the last. We've saved the best for the last. But पहले अभी जो आपने सुना, let's have something on that.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. First up, before I come to the nub, I congratulate Ravi ji for saying that he has been to Makkah. बोला इन्होंने मक्का गए हैं, शायद ये हो सकता है गए हों. मैं इनको congratulate करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि as far as I know, I think any person, any human being can visit Mecca, right, Ravi ji? And as far as Atikur Rahman Sahib is concerned, Pranesh, I am warning you. I don't know what. Ravi ji, I did not interrupt you. अब मुझे सुन लीजिए please. प्रणेश, देयर इज अ जेंटल वार्निंग टू यू, आप अतीकुर रहमान साहब को मत लाया करिए। मैं नोटा वोटर हूं, जिस तरह की इनकी आजकल की अटरेंसेज हैं, अगर ये इलेक्शन के लिए खड़े हुए तो मैं इनको वोट दे दूंगा। क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? Such amazing utterances from Atikur Rahman Saab need to be applauded and congratulated. Now let me come to the nub of the issue. Pranesh, tell me first thing honestly, is this news that Samajwadi Party is rank Hindu-phobic and rank pseudo-secular? I'm sorry, it isn't. मैं आपको सिर्फ 2 एग्जाम्पल दूंगा और इसमें मैं अपने मेरे दोस्त जो हैं फैजान साहब, उनसे ये चैलेंज करूंगा कि इसको रिबट करें। 30 अक्टूबर 1990 को जो कार सेवक्स पे फायरिंग हुई थी, 16 लोग मरे थे। पद्म विभूषण लेट मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने क्या कहा था? उन्होंने कहा था अगर 30 लोगों की जान भी जाती तो भी मैं करता, बिकॉज आई डिड इट टू सेव द मुस्लिम्स एंड बाबरी मस्जिद इन इंडिया। ये उनका वो है। और आप लोग कहते हैं कि प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट हटाना चाहिए, समाजवादी पार्टी कहती है नहीं हटा सकते, क्योंकि जैसा रिलीजियस प्लेसेस हैं 15 अगस्त 1947 पे वैसे ही रहने चाहिए। सबसे ज्यादा उल्लंघन तो समाजवादी पार्टी ने किया था। ये ओपन चैलेंज है फैजान साहब को कि मुझे रिबट करें। व्यास परिवार वहां पे पूजा करता था फॉर डेकेड्स, वो पूजा रोकी गई। व्यास परिवार का तहखाना जो है वो बंद कराया गया। आप विष्णु जैन से पूछे, जिसने पेटिशन डाली हुई है, पेड़ काटे गए, मूर्तियां हटाई गई वहां से। So the party that violated the Places of Worship Act, ironically, was the Samajwadi Party. So this is not news. अगर ये अपने आप को सेकुलर मानते हैं तो ओपन चैलेंज है फैजान साहब को कि जैसे ये हिंदू टेम्पल्स कंट्रोल करते हैं वैसे मॉस्क को भी कंट्रोल करें। जैसे ये वक्फ एक्ट के सपोर्ट में है वैसे एक सनातन एक्ट के सपोर्ट में भी आए। So all I'm saying is this just basically exposes the leopard that never changes the spot, Pranesh, never.
Faizan Kidwai
Yes.
wants to respond. Let's have that quick
Yes.
response.
Okay. First of all, this propaganda of Bharatiya Janata Party that Netaji ordered firing on car sevaks is wrong. It was exposed by none other than Nipen Mishra, who was the principal secretary to Netaji at that time, and he was overseeing the construction of Ram Temple. He on NDTV, I'm forgetting the channel. It was a discussion. It was an interview. He said it wasn't Netaji as far as this place. He's talking about Rastogi Parivar. Sir, this is Agarwal Parivar from the same place.
तो जैसा था वैसे ही है,
मंदिर जैसा था वैसे ही है। ताला हमारे लोगों ने लगाया था क्योंकि वो बाहर चले गए थे। ये भी एक प्रोपेगेंडा है। दूसरा, समाजवाद, आप बात कर रहे हैं कि कम्युनलाइज करते हैं। योगी आदित्यनाथ, when he was inaugurating the 43rd Ramayan Mela in Ayodhya recently, he said those who have no reverence for Lord Ram and Mata Janki, treat them as your enemies. So he's inciting people to fight on communal lines. He says आपको काटने की तैयारी हो रही है. He's trying to build this fear in Hindus. So this gentleman, Yogi Adityanath, who's a repeat offender, somebody, and you people have somebody like a Sarangi, somebody who was accused of killing Graham Staines. You people gave him a ticket and made him an MP. So everyone who's a criminal, somebody who kills minorities, you people love that kind of an individual, and you promote them. Sir, unfortunately, this is the character of Bharatiya Janata Party and Bharatiya Janata Party people.
Where is the BJP here, Faizan Kidwai? Can you see the BJP here? I started the debate by asking you a question on principle. You have not answered that question. Dr. Ranganathan asked you two specific questions. To one, you are saying that no, Mulayam Singh Yadav did not do it. 1 minute. While that is not true. And to the other question, you are saying वो बाहर चले गए थे, इतने सालों के लिए बाहर चले गए थे. Where did they go? To the moon? Dr. Ranganathan?
Now, quote, my direct order to fire at the car sevaks on October 30th, 1990 was needed to save Babri Masjid and maintain the faith of Muslims in our country. Even if 30 car sevaks had died in the firing instead of 16, I would still have not withdrawn my decision, unquote, Padma Vibhushan, late Mulayam Singh Yadav. फैजान भाई ऐसे मत बोलिए, लाइव टीवी पे आई एम फैक्ट चेकिंग यू विद अ वर्बेटिम कोट फ्रॉम द लेट मुलायम सिंह यादव. फॉर यू टू से ही डिडंट से दिस इज अ परफिडी. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज अपोलोजाइज.
वीडियो क्लिप दिखा दीजिए, वीडियो क्लिप दिखा दीजिए. बीच में इसको काट के एक सेंटेंस को जोड़ा जाता है. सर,
अब
आप
मैं
जानते
वीडियो
हैं
क्लिप
किस
भी
तरीके
दिखाऊं.
से
अब
मीडिया
कह रहे
करते हैं.
वीडियो क्लिप दिखा.
हाँ दिखाइए, ऑफ कोर्स मैं बोल दूं रंगनाथन साहब ने ऑर्डर
अगली
दिया
बार
था,
अब I was not
रंगनाथन
prepared
साहब
for
ने
this,
मिठाई
अगली बार मैं
बांटी
आपको वीडियो
थी।
क्लिप
मैं बोल दूं रंगनाथन साहब ने मिठाई बांटी थी उस
अच्छा,
वक्त, तो ये बात साबित हो जाएगी क्या?
मैं तो वीडियो क्लिप दिखा रहा हूं। मैंने तो आपको दिखाया कि कुंभ में क्या हो रहा था और यहां क्या हो रहा था। वीडियो क्लिप पे सुना दिया अखिलेश यादव जी ने उस समय क्या कहा था, अभी क्या कह रहे हैं। इस वीडियो का भी तो जवाब दीजिए।
इस वीडियो में क्या उन्होंने गलत कह दिया? हम भाईचारा बढ़ाने के लिए अगर एक किसी ने कहा कि आओ मेरे साथ बैठ के चाय पी लो,
प्रॉब्लम फैजान, नो
प्रॉब्लम।
आई एम नॉट ग्रजिंग हिम इज this meeting or whatever you want to call it, this get together, okay? The word meeting is irking all of you. This was a get together in a mosque, okay? I have no problems with this. But why were you going after Yogi Adityanath when he went to take a holy dip at the Kumbh? Why? That's the question. Ishkaran?
There is a major part and a minor part to this debate. What meeting Akhilesh Yadav has, political or social, or what Mrs. Dimple Yadav wears is a subject for the mosque committees to decide. I have no say in that and I don't want to enter into that. That is their freedom. They have to decide their rules and what their rules are not permitting. But the major issue is important here because the major issue is how secularism has been perverted in India. You're talking about Kumbh Mela. Please go back to 2019 when the defense minister was receiving the Rafale jets. He did Shastra Puja. He wrote Om on it and the entire secular Jamaat erupted as if he has committed the greatest crime known to mankind. How can he do Shastra Puja? How can he follow his religion? How can he do what has been done for thousands of years in India, because that does not fit into their idea of secularism. But what fits into their idea of secularism is when Akhilesh Yadav government withdrew cases on people accused of bomb blast or tried to withdraw them. Later, some of them got convicted by court. These sort of cases were sought to be withdrawn. Or the fact where anything Hindu in this country is looked and attacked, be it Kumbh Mela, which you link with deaths, which you link with wastage of state resources. In fact, when they earned revenue for the state, I'm not even going into the religious aspects of it. Or when you believe that there is a first right on resources, or when Muzaffarnagar riots occur and every person covering those riots at that time, thousands of stories came out. What were the instructions? Which community was to be protected? Who were to be arrested? How the entire thing blew up because of the leaders of Samajwadi Party. So my problem is not what Akhilesh Yadav does. That is for the mosque to decide what he should do or not do there. My problem is when you attack a Rajnath Singh, a Yogi Adityanath, or anybody living in a way which is ancient, internal and permanent in India.
Nikhil, what Yogi Adityanath was doing was dharma ka dhanda, and this is, you know, one secular gathering to promote peace and unity and what have you.
Pranesh, a while ago I heard you in the debate saying that I don't care whether it was a meeting or a meetup or whatever these Samajwadi people were doing in the at the mosque. Then I don't really understand why are we having this debate.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
If there is no meeting,
which is why I kept you for the last, because I knew you would not understand. And I did not want to, you know, waste time in making you understand. Nikhil, there is a reason why I do things. 1 minute, which is why we kept you for the last. Now let me make you understand. It's very simple. The reason why we have, it's good to, you know, it's good of the, you know, panelists to ask, why are we having a debate? If you were not clear, you shouldn't have come. Why did you come? If you're not happy or, you know, clear about the purpose of the debate. Now, let me address that question. 1 minute, listen to it. Listen to it. Nikhil, I'll give you a chance to speak. Listen to the answer. The reason, viewers, we are having this debate is to expose the hypocrisy of this ecosystem that gets away with Sanatan slander and then does the exact same thing and says this is an act of faith, act of unity. Nikhil, that is the reason we are having this debate. Now answer my question. If that was dharma ka dhanda, what is this?
No, it's sitting in a mosque, Sanatan slander. I don't really understand the point that you're trying to make.
I never said so.
Hindu. His wife is a Hindu.
I never said so. I have no problems. But the question is taking a holy dip dharma ka dhanda? Answer that question, Nikhil.
No, my friend. Anybody can take a dip during Kumbh. Very well that our Chief Minister, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath did. Many Congress leaders did that. Many Samajwadi Party leaders did that. Of course, the RSS chief did not do that. Many BJP leaders did not do that. But that's all right. I did not do it. I think you did not do it. It's fair. Anybody can take a dip in the holy water.
That's not the
Anybody may
problem.
take a dip in the holy water.
Did I ask you, did you do it? Nikhil, I'll come to you. Don't exasperate 1 minute. 1 minute. Dr. Ranganathan, now Nikhil Jain doesn't answer the question, says, why are we doing a debate? Do you want to add to what I said?
No, Nikhil I sympathize with my good friend Nikhil because for some odd reason his Chinese printer isn't working today, so he is busy shuffling around some placards. But to come back to my good friend Faizan साहब, जिन्होंने मतलब मैं अब इनको कांग्रेस का राहुल गांधी का सक्सेसर मानना चाहूंगा बिकॉज इतने कम समय में इतने ज्यादा झूठ इससे पहले सिर्फ राहुल गांधी ने बोले। इन्होंने क्या कहा जब मैंने इनको चैलेंज किया था कि आप प्रूव करें कि ये गलत है कि समाजवादी पार्टी ने प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट को वायलेट किया था, व्यास परिवार को बैन करना 1993 में जब मुलायम सिंह यादव जी, लेट मुलायम सिंह यादव जी वो द चीफ मिनिस्टर, इन्होंने कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट है 2024 में दैट डीम्ड दिस एक्ट ऑफ समाजवादी पार्टी एंड मुलायम सिंह यादव जी एज इलीगल। अब आप कहिए क्या इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट भी झूठ बोल रहा है फैजान साहब? तभी कहा बार बार प्रणेश के शो पे आप अगर फेक न्यूज फैलाएंगे तो 2-2 मिनट में पकड़े जाएंगे।
निखिल जैन
played. No, first of all, what the SP spokesperson played was a public bite given by the family to various television channels. Now, if you're saying the family is lying, if you're saying that Modi ji gave a Padma Vibhushan award to somebody who is so anti-Sanatan, I don't really know what are we talking about. And I'm sorry, but the BJP spokesperson is not here to answer because he would not be here to answer the kind of nonsense that the
One minute. Very easy for you to, use words like nonsense. I'll tell you what the nonsense is. The nonsense, and because you're talking about Padma Awards, who gave Bharat Ratna to himself and who gave it to herself? Bataiye. What does it prove? What does it prove? What does the Bharat Ratna prove? Nikhil?
Bharat Ratna, we're talking about Mulayam Singh Yadav ji.
Now don't run away. Now you were talking about waxing eloquent on Padma Awards. Dr. Ranganathan, why does Nikhil Jain do it?
Padma Awards. I am talking about Mulayam Singh Yadav.
Of course you were talking about why did the BJP give Padma Award to Mulayam Singh Yadav, late Mulayam Singh Yadav, if he was, if he didn't believe in Sanatan, etc. What does it prove? Dr. Ranganathan, Bharat Ratna, Nehru gave Bharat Ratna to himself, Indira gave it to herself.
Technically, of course, metaphorically and symbolically they did, but technically क्योंकि इससे बच जाएं वो उन्होंने ये पूरा शरारत खेला कि हमने अपने आप को नहीं दिया, राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी ने हमें दिया. But the fact is, as serving prime ministers, they should not have accepted Bharat Ratna. That's another matter. But why has Nikhil, my good friend, muddled the waters? I asked a point blank question. Dispute the fact. Challenge I open. That the Samajwadi Party did not itself violate the Places of Worship Act. They have not been able to do it. अब कोई भारत रत्ना ला रहा है, कोई कह रहा है कि वो छुट्टी पे चले गए थे इसलिए हमने सील. देखिए, फेक न्यूज मत फैलाइए. इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का कंटेम्प्ट होगा अगर आप झूठ बोलेंगे. जो मेरे अभी जिनको मैं वोट देने वाला हूं, आप अतीकुर रहमान साहब से पूछ लीजिए.
अतीकुर रहमान साहब, आप ही बता दीजिए.
Pranesh, I have an important point to make. If you are objecting to an opposition leader like Akhilesh Yadav visiting a mosque,
I am not.
What was the prime
No, 1 minute. I am not objecting to Akhilesh Yadav visiting a mosque. I am not. I am objecting to what he said about Yogi Adityanath when he visited Kumbh. Atikur Rahman साहब, ऐसे सवाल को twist क्यों कर देते हैं आप? Who am I to object?
Prime Minister in his constitutional position doing in a Bora mosque. At that time you supported him. The Boras are declared non-Muslims. That's why he was there. But it was a Bora mosque. So I have revealed that you are exposed now. Secondly, if you are saying that Akhilesh is visiting a mosque and comparing it to Yogi, Yogi is in a constitutional position.
So he can't,
so
1 minute.
No,
so he can't go and take a holy dip in Kumbh. So Yogi Adityanath can't go take a holy dip in Kumbh.
Yes,
really?
He can't go.
Really? Ishtaran?
Let us put to the constitutional position here. There is nothing in our constitution or any statute which says if you are on a constitutional post, you can't practice your religion. That is the problem. Some constitutional posts can use the state machinery to organize enormous festivals which used to be organized for decades in India, but that is constitutional post in which you are using money also for doing that. But when Yogi does it, it becomes a problem because he's in a constitutional post, so he loses the right to practice his religion. Or as I said, ask the 3 panelists or 4 panelists on this debate, why did they object to Rajnath Singh doing Shastra Puja? What was the objection? Please ask. Do they stand by that objection even today?
बोलिए.
It's objected to that. Where are you getting it from? I'm sure, and nobody objected in the manner that you were trying to.
You want me to read it? I will read it out. I will read it out.
Yeah, please read out a statement from me objecting to it. Please do.
From Congress, you are not important enough for your statements to be reported. You are not important enough for your statements to be reported.
Now said,
how do I write
no,
that?
Ishkaran.
Delusions of grandeur.
You are not important enough.
No, delusions of grandeur. Find my statement.
You are not important enough to be representing the BJP.
I said opposition objected. You may be opposition to common. Pranesh, can I finish my point?
One person at a time, please. Nikhil, 1 minute. Ishtaran is saying something.
Can I finish my point? Can I finish my point? Pranesh, it is good to have delusions, but we shouldn't have such delusions of grandeur that you believe that 6 years ago, some statement you made, you are the entire opposition. You may be opposition to common sense. You may be opposition to intelligence, but you are not opposition to government of India. So please, I was talking about statement by leader of opposition.
Nikhil, let him respond.
No, Pranesh, but he made a statement that the 4 people made a statement against that. I did not make a statement. Now he says I have delusions of grandeur. Fact is, this man has no idea, no logic, no...
Forget the man, counter what he's saying. Nikhil, forget the man.
No,
you answer what he's saying.
Let me answer on that. First of all, I did not say anything. So far as the entire Congress ecosystem is concerned, nobody raised the kind of objections that he's talking about. Yes, some people criticized it, some people mocked it, some people said
some people mocked it, it's okay. Why do you land your party in trouble? Some people mocked it, but it's okay.
I am talking about his ecosystem. I am talking about his ecosystem.
Oh, ecosystem. Okay. Do you know the kind of commentary by Congress leaders against Sanatan? That is not the ecosystem. It is the Congress party. Dr. Ranganathan would remind you of some of what has been said.
No, but you know, I think we are again missing the woods for the trees. Inme se sabse, I would say the logical and rational comments were made by Atikur Rahman Sahab, but there also for him to profess his views, which are laudatory, I'm afraid are at loggerheads with the general views of Muslims in India. I mean, you only have to look at the Kerala High Court judgment where women appealed for them to be allowed inside the sanctum sanctorum of a mosque, which they were barred. So, Atikur Rahman Sahab, while I appreciate what your views are, I'm sorry, they are opposite of tens of hundreds of millions of views of Muslims in India. So that is why I ask you to probably change their minds before you can attempt to change everybody else's.
Okay, Faizan Kidwai was talking about some videos. He said, play the video, play the video. Here's one video I want to play, and then Faizan Bhai, I want you to take a position. Let's listen to this.
बहुत अकलमंदी के साथ, बहुत जज्बाती ना होके, बहुत खामोशी के साथ, एक साथ होके वोटों का जिहाद करो, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ वोटों का जिहाद कर सकते हैं और इस संघी सरकार को भगाने का काम कर सकते हैं। बहुत शर्म आती है जब मैंने आज ये सुना कि कुछ मुसलमानों ने आज यहाँ पर बैठ के मुकेश राजपूत की मीटिंग कराई। मुझे लगता है समाज से उनका हुक्का पानी बंद कर देना चाहिए। इतने मतलबी मत बनो कि बच्चों की जिंदगियों से खेलो, हमारे बच्चों की जानों से खेलो।
Who was this? Yogi Adityanath talking about vote jihad, saying हुक्का पानी बंद कर देना चाहिए. Faizan Kidwai?
Okay. Who's she? Who's she? Is she the leader, supreme leader of a political party? Is she somebody of the stature of Akhilesh Yadav, Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi? No. The thing is, but my Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he says, कपड़ों से पहचानो, तुम्हारे भैंस खोले जाएंगे, he's trying to build fear against a particular community and asking people to alienate them just because for his greed and lust for power. Pranesh, don't interject. एंड आनंद भाई आपने मुझसे कहा था कि आप आफ्टर राहुल गांधी से बड़ा कोई झूठा नहीं है. सर, आई थिंक यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग माय प्राइम मिनिस्टर, सर, व्हिच इज सो अनफॉर्चुनेट. माय ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ही सेज ही इज नॉन बायोलॉजिकल, देन ही सेज ही इंस्ट्रक्टेड द हाईली क्वालिफाइड एयरफोर्स पायलट्स टू हाइड बिहाइंड क्लाउड्स so that they can save themselves from the radar. He clicks a picture, digital picture, even before digital cameras were invented.
Now,
he sends an email.
Faizan Kidwai, don't run away from this Maria Alam clip. If she is a nobody, why is she still in the Samajwadi Party? Why didn't the so-called supreme leader of your party take a position on this? This is no defense. That who is she? That can't be a defense. Dr. Ranganathan.
नहीं, अब देखिए, मैं ऑलरेडी पहले इनको स्टेटमेंट दे चुका हूं. अब यहां पे प्ले करना मेरा मुश्किल है, लेकिन आप YouTube पे जाके देख लीजिए. मुलायम सिंह यादव जी के क्लिप्स हैं जो मैंने वर्बेटिम बताया, उन्होंने कहा वो वीडियो है. तो ऐसा कहना कि गलत न्यूज है वो बहरहाल, आई थिंक वी आर शिफ्टिंग अवे फ्रॉम द टॉपिक. द टॉपिक, एज प्रणेश राइटली सेड, वाज नॉट दैट पीपल शुड नॉट विजिट मॉस्क. ऑफ कोर्स दे शुड. व्हाई नॉट? Was not that women cannot visit. Of course they should. The problem was the double standards. That when Hindu temples, Hindu property is being leached off for billions and billions of dollars by the state, and the chief minister of a state decides to take his cabinet to Kumbh Mela, which the state has organized spectacularly well, people were outraging. And out here you are going to mosque, and you can't go to mosque, or you can. Of course you could.
Okay, we'll have to shift our attention. I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1.